Hello students, myself Y.M. Harde, presently working in Mechanical Engineering Department, Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj Polytechnic, Nasik. So, today we are discuss development of surfaces. In that, development of hexagonal pyramid. After completing this video, please subscribe my channel, YouTube channel. So this is a problem. Hexagonal pyramid, size 30 mm, height 60 mm, rest on its base on HP. On two sides of the base are perpendicular to VP. So let's start. So firstly, draw the hexagon by included angle. So let's dot the hexagon. Take a middle points. Mark all points. Then extend on points on reference line. So mark in pyramid front view looking as a triangle. This is required front view and top view. Name as per given the procedure A B C D E F G. So it is cut by incline at 40 degree to HP. So bisecting the axis. Take a half distance of axis and draw draw the cutting plane line from bisecting the points. From bisecting points, mark the cut points P dash, Q dash, R dash, S dash, U dash, Q dash. So draw the cut points. Take a O points anywhere. Take a rounder. Take a true length in a rounder. So it consists of hexagon 6 sides. So protecting. Take a O to C points. So marking center points. So it is parallel to VP. Draw the line from points and join, mark that line. That is a slant edge, true length of the. So true length is 67 mm. At any point draw, mark 67 true length, 67 mm true length. Take a rounder, take a O distance and mark the 6 points. One, how to, it is a 6 hexagonal prism. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So join all the points and connect all points. Join all points with the help of scale. Join lines and name as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Join for cut points on true length. Connect cut points. Similar procedure given in the previous lectures. So P, Q, S, R. So transfer all point on in the development. Let us start with point Q, B and U. Take a rounder, take a distance P. P is lie on, yes, point P is OA and point P U in OF. That is a OF. Last. That is a point P. First point and last point Q. At the same distance U, OF. Point U is lie on F. F. Yes. F. Q and T located on OB and OE, and one OE T. Yes, one T. Point R in this, R in S, O, OD and OC. Lie on OD and OC, OE and OC. Okay. Point R is there, OD. Point S is located. Point S is located. Join all the points like in P. To join all the points, hexagonal prism. So connecting with, it is a hexagonal prism, so connecting with lines. Join all lines. Make a dark lines. So this is a above and below, take a dark points. So this is required answer. And write all the points, lines below the remove portion. And base is also joined. A to B, B to C, similarly A to F. So students, take dark lines in all sections. So this is a required answer. Thank you.